Okay, so this is video part 2, and I will start by removing those 3 small relays, and then I will move to the big ones. And the way I do that, I'm just finding the relay coils, which those 2 relays, and then these 3 pins on top. You can also check your relays, always the ones that you got, and see how many pins there are, and it will give you a little hint, 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 5, 1 2 3 4 5. It's the same here, so same thing as I do, always put flux on all those legs. And then I'm gonna remove all those relays. We'll see how it goes, because this board have some insulation, as I mentioned before. They put some like resin or something, and it gives a little hard time to remove those components. So we'll see how it goes. Doesn't go well this morning. Let's try it again. Yeah, I think those relays can be installed quite fast, so let's see. I think one relay is ready for removal. I'm just going to double check. Let's try to remove this guy. Still a little bit stuck. Let's put a little bit more flux and see. Oh, I'm missing one more leg, that's right. How about now? Still stuck. Ugh. Okay. Then we try to put some flux in there. Let's see. I think this should be okay by now. Probably see this insulation or resin, whatever it is. It's a pain in the butt. You have to be patient, don't rush. See, this is the leg that was holding it. There you go. One relay to the garbage. Now I'm just gonna remove this one. Yeah, see those relays, they don't come quite nicely. But I'm gonna just help them. And fortunately sometimes you break your legs and then you have to do a little bit extra work, but that's okay. Let's see if I can get this one going somehow. And put some heat in there and see if it's gonna release it. I'm just applying heat on the other side. Okay, one leg is out. Two legs. Everything is because this insulation, whatever they put there, it makes life a little bit harder. Okay, I think I got it, but now those holes are blocked. So let's try to put some flux on this side and clean them. See if it will take care of the issue. Yep. And now last one that I have to remove. This guy right here. Maybe I'll take my time on the last one and just go slow to remove it nicely. I'll try and see. just trying to take my time and maybe go from both sides. So I'm removing all this solder. Doesn't go all the way, but I don't think it matters if you go fast or slow. Same thing. Let's see if I can. Yep, 2 legs. I left with 2 legs. How about these ones? Come on, give me my legs. Okay, let's try to warm it up, maybe save some work. Alright, I think, man, this thing doesn't want to come out. Huh? Hot. Okay, I saved 3 legs and then 2 legs garbage. 2 legs are still here, so grab it by the leg and fit from the other side. Okay, so 3 relays are out. See, I still have to clean maybe those 3 openings. Let's clean this one too. Without this resin, oh, I would finish already by now. This resin makes work slow. Stinky. Okay, now we're gonna have to remove this guy. It's also 5 legs. Looks like it sits this way. So this is where the coils are. And let's see how it goes. Let's see. Co-pilots. Either they put lots of flux in there, or I'm not sure, or it's this material wherever they put in there, but it's pretty bad. I'm trying to move it around and it doesn't catch everything. What if I put more heat? I don't think it matters. Let's see. Maybe a little bit better, but yeah, I have a feeling that I'm gonna have to remove a few legs here. I can add more heat, doesn't really matter. This sticky thing doesn't want to go away. See? See how it's so sticky? Alright, let's try it out. I don't want to break the board, that would be not good. Let's try this other piece. Okay, this seems to go a little bit better. Oh, okay. That's not bad, only one leg left, garbage. Out. Now all what I have left is last relay. Come on. I don't want to break it. I already broke something. It's okay. Really stubborn. Really stubborn. This one works. Alright, I think. Oh, by the way, you can see what's inside of the relay if you like. So this is your coil and this is the contact. Okay, that's how relay works. But let me just try removing this. If you ever wonder what's inside of the relay, you can see. And this doesn't want to come out. So this is the relay. You can see the contact. Well, when it was this in here. So once the coil engage, it will close the contact, and those two contacts will connect and it will send power. Broken. Now let's gonna have to finish the video soon. I just want to clean it here, and all what I have left to do is just do the install. I'm just gonna clean it and then I'll finish the video, and I'll keep you posted about this board when it's all fixed up. That's how I clean it pretty much. You see I put a little bit of flux and then I just see. So this is how you remove the relays on a Whirlpool control board, part number W108-03272, revision B. I'm gonna swap the old with the new relays. I'll clean it nicely and it should be all good to go and ready for shipping. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Take care.